Everyone thinks the best-selling vacuum cleaner is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Eureka PowerSpeed Lightweight. Let's kick things off with the Eureka PowerSpeed Lightweight Upright Vacuum Cleaner. Priced at just $89.90, this vacuum caught my eye because it's labeled a bestseller, and with over 8,100 reviews, it's clearly doing something right. If you want an easy-to-carry, powerful vacuum that's friendly on your budget, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. At just 10 pounds, it's incredibly lightweight, making it easy to maneuver around your home. The 960-watt motor delivers strong suction that works on multiple surfaces from hardwood to carpets. Plus, the 2.6-liter dust cup means you won't have to stop and empty it every few minutes. With a solid 4.2-star rating, it's clear that many are happy with its performance. Now, some people complained about the vacuum being a bit noisy. Here's the thing though, while it does make some sound, the cleaning power it offers more than makes up for it. If you're okay with a little noise for a powerful clean, I think you'll love this one. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on cleaning power. Skip this one if you prefer a quieter model or if you have very delicate flooring that needs extra care. Now, if the slight noise of the Eureka PowerSpeed bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Eureka PowerSpeed Pet Turbo. Next up is the Eureka PowerSpeed Pet Turbo, also priced at $89.90. This version is specifically designed for pet owners, which is what originally caught my attention. If you're struggling with pet hair, this might just be your new best friend. The PowerSpeed Pet Turbo is lightweight, weighing only 10 pounds, and it has the same powerful suction capabilities as the previous model. It's equipped with a pet turbo tool and a variety of onboard attachments that make tackling pet hair a breeze. The 5 height adjustment settings mean it adapts effortlessly from hard floors to deep carpets. Plus, the 2.6L dust cup reduces the frequency of emptying while still keeping your home clean. With a solid rating of 4.2 stars from over 5,500 reviews, it shows that this vacuum is a dependable option. Now, some users mention that the brush can get clogged with hair. Here's the thing, though, while it's important to maintain it, regular cleaning of the brush roll can easily prevent any major issues and keep it working smoothly. If you don't mind a little upkeep, this vacuum is a strong contender. This is perfect for you if you have pets and want a vacuum that can handle hair without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you prefer minimal maintenance or have minimal pet hair to deal with. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for versatility. Product number 3, Eureka NEU 182B PowerSpeed. The next vacuum is the Eureka NEU 182B PowerSpeed, priced at just $74.61. This one surprised me with its performance, and it's also a bestseller with over 23,500 reviews. If you're after a lightweight vacuum that packs a punch, this is definitely worth considering. Weighing only 10 pounds, it's easy to maneuver, and the 5 height adjustments make it versatile for all floor types. Its 2.6L dust container means less frequent emptying, so you can clean longer without interruption. Here's why this matters. If you're juggling a busy home life, this vacuum can save you time and effort. Now, a few users reported that the vacuum can be a bit tricky to reassemble after cleaning. Here's my take. While it may take a moment to get used to, once you get the hang of it, it's not a deal breaker at all. The performance outweighs the minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, lightweight vacuum that can clean your entire home. Skip this one if you prefer a more complex vacuum with advanced features. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more specialized, this next vacuum might just fit the bill. Product number 4, Eureka Whirlwind Bagless Canister. Now we have the Eureka Whirlwind Bagless Canister Vacuum Cleaner, priced at $69.92. This caught my eye because it's a canister model, which is a bit different from the upright vacuums we've looked at. If you're after something lightweight and easy to maneuver, this is a great option. The integrated airflow control on the handle lets you switch between different surfaces effortlessly. It also has a 2.5L dust container that's bagless and uses washable filters, which saves you money in the long run. With an impressive 4.3-star rating from 30,000 reviews, it's clear this vacuum has a loyal following. Now, one drawback is that some users mentioned it doesn't have the strongest suction compared to uprights. Here's why that's not a deal breaker. While it might not lift deeply embedded dirt as well, it's perfect for quick cleanups and lighter debris, so it's great for daily maintenance. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight vacuum that's easy to store and maneuver. Skip this one if you need heavy-duty cleaning power or have a lot of carpet to maintain. Alright, moving on to our final product, which is a bit pricier but has some impressive features. Product number 5, Hoover Wind Tunnel Pro. Finally, we have the Hoover Wind Tunnel Cord Rewind Pro, priced at $139.99. This one stands out with its advanced wind tunnel technology that offers powerful suction, and it's definitely worth a look if you're serious about cleaning. What's great about this vacuum is that it features multi-cyclonic filtration, which means it captures dust and allergens effectively. The 5-height adjustment allows you to transition seamlessly between different surfaces. With a solid rating of 4.2 stars from over 1,300 reviews, it's a trusted option. However, some users noted that it's a bit heavier than the others at 10 pounds. Here's the thing though, the extra weight means it's built with more robust components that contribute to its high performance, making it a solid investment for serious cleaners. This is perfect for you if you want a high-performance vacuum that offers a lot of features. Skip this one if you prefer a lightweight option or have limited storage space. To wrap things up, we've seen some amazing options today. From the budget-friendly Eureka Power Speed, great for light cleaning and pet owners, to the versatile Hoover Wind Tunnel for serious cleanups, there's something for everyone. Product number 6, best pick. In summary, whether you're looking for a lightweight model like the Eureka NEU 182B or a heavy-duty vacuum like the Hoover Wind Tunnel, each option has its perks. The right vacuum really depends on your specific needs, so consider what's most important to you. Happy cleaning!